Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to enable the RAM booster on your Nothing phone. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First, unlock your Nothing phone. Open the Settings application to find the Home Settings menu. Step 2. Now scroll down and locate the Special Features option. Tap on it to reveal additional customization and performance-related settings. Step 3. Next, locate the RAM booster option. Tap on it to view the four options: off, 2 GB, 4 GB, and 8 GB. These indicate the additional amount of virtual RAM that can be allocated. Step 4. For the last and most important step, choose the RAM size to boost, then select the Reboot Now option. Your Nothing phone will restart to finalize the new RAM allocation. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tips.